Hi, I'm Ted Savvy, and a bird hit our window. I'm gonna go check it out. Found a bird outside. My dog is just staring at him, wagging his tail. But there's just a bird out there, and it's not plastic, it's a real bird. You can tell by his breathing.
Might have ran into the window.
Yep. And my dog Sir is just on him. He's just staring straight at him, breathing heavy, wagging his tail.
Do you want me to try and make him move, James?
Yeah, sure.
I might get him going.
Trying to regroup. Might have hit the window pretty hard. Oh, he wants to
Yeah.
help.
Sir says, we can get him going, Dad. If he even pays any attention to him.
Can't eat the birdie. Want the birdie. Can't eat the birdie. Okay.
I guess every now and then when you're stuck, that's way to clear the air after today's blow up. Fire in the hole!
Wow. That's cool.
Oh, this is gonna be a hit on YouTube.
Wow, is he pretty? He is so pretty.
Weird.
Look at the head on him.
Mm-hmm.
His head is cool.
See him. Weird. So what happened to him? Did he get like amnesia or something? Brain damage? Yeah, he's... Why don't you eat the bird?
You gonna put him on the bush? You gonna put him on the bush? Love his head.
You want to eat the bird, don't you? But you
Are
can't
you
eat the
getting
bird.
this?
Yeah, I'm getting that. What kind of bird is
Very
it?
pretty. Dad thinks it might be like a finch, but
Kind. His poor little head.
oh shush. Dad's gonna put him on that bush. Cool.
Just got my mom and dad some coffee, but I didn't take all the...
Guess that's all you see today.
Yeah,
Poor bird.
well, he's laying on the ground tomorrow. We'll know why.
Why?
No, we won't know why.